As we prepare to leave 2020 behind, health experts are reminding everyone that flipping the calendar doesn't really change much in terms of the pandemic. They're sharing their hopes for staying safe and ways to make some positive changes in 2021.
The year's going to start and, everything's not going to change overnight.
Even if we wish that was the case, especially when it comes to returning to life pre-pandemic.
It will be months, if not a year, before we see 70–80% of the population able to be vaccinated.
Dr. Del DeHart, an infectious disease physician at Metro Health University of Michigan, says curbing the spread of COVID-19 will still be a slow process.
The vaccine is a wonderful gift. It really is. It gives hope. But we don't need the vaccine alone to stop this pandemic. The things we've been doing will help tremendously.
That includes continuing to social distance, wear masks, and wash your hands.
I think it's not unreasonable to hope by spring and early summer, things will look different.
And while the COVID fatigue is real, Dr. Leanne Moriello with Spectrum Health says that doesn't mean 2021 is going to be a bust.
So certainly it may be a little bit more difficult than usual to kind of get started on a personal or a health journey or a change journey. But that's where taking really small steps can be a great strategy to get started.
As the director of lifestyle medicine, Dr. Moriello encourages people to follow the SMART goals formula, setting intentions that are specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-based.
We think about all those different categories, really being specific and concrete, and really making sure it's something that we can define, we can point to and say whether or not we were successful, and we can do so in a reasonable amount of time.
She also suggests getting creative, especially if our gyms are closed, we're working from home, or we don't have full access to the things we need.
If we're finding that we're feeling a little bit limited, I always encourage seeking inspiration from others. So, reach out there, reach out to your network, see how are other people managing to get exercise and get movement despite gyms being closed.
The biggest way to ensure success, she says, is to set intentions you're excited about.
What is the why behind it? Why why would you want to do that? And how would you feel if you did that? And I think that can really fuel people going into the new year with some, renewed sense of positivity and excitement for what's to come.
And after the year we've had, it's okay to mess up a little along the way.
I think most of all, going in, not expecting perfection, not expecting that this is 100% every day of the week. And as quick as you can, kind of catching yourself, giving yourself the grace and saying, okay, that's in the past. I'm moving forward.
And both doctors say with a little discipline, 2021 is looking very bright indeed.
We all are so tired of all this, but I think with that hope, if we can buckle down and say, if we just get through this next few months and continue to do the things we know work, we really will be able to see this change.
And Spectrum Health has started a lifestyle medicine specialty practice if you need a little extra support making healthy changes like exercise, healthy eating, or even quitting smoking. They're also offering a free plant power challenge to help you incorporate more fruits and veggies into your diet. You can visit spectrumhealth.org/Plant Power to sign up or learn more about their practice.